This is Sona from SingleBag. I work as a product manager here, and a very warm welcome to all the people who have joined for this webinar. So today, the agenda of the webinar will be um, what is the partner program, what is the motto of this webinar, and what is exactly SingleBag is all about, and how you can choose a career in this e-commerce industry is what you'll be learning all about today. So before getting started, everyone might have this question, right? Like, what is SingleBag? All of the sudden, we just got a registration link saying, uh, start an e-commerce career. Like, what is this all about? Okay, let me get to the point. SingleBag is a SaaS-based e-commerce company, where it's a software company. We have started it like around the COVID period, 2019 exactly to be precise. So, where people using this software can create their own e-commerce websites without the requirement of any coding knowledge. That is what it is all about. And why Singlebag? You might have this question, right? Like, what is this starting an e-commerce website without any coding knowledge? Like, how it is started, what it is all about. During this pandemic, we addressed an issue in the industry where many people, we would have seen, right? Many people would have struggled to start a business, and people who are already into business were forced to shut down their business. So we thought, like, how we could solve this problem. By thinking of that, we came up with an idea. Okay, now we can see a word which is booming in the industry, that is the digital. Many digital platforms came into play, many technologies were introduced to the market, and many people were found it more easy to start a business. To make it more easier, we found a platform where without any coding knowledge or without any technical skill, people can easily, just like that, can create their e-commerce website. So that is what the software is all about. And yeah, why e-commerce? Like, we could have started a business, Singlebag could have been about anything, right? Why only about e-commerce? We all know, like what is driving India's economy. We all know, right? It is the retail industry. Many people, the complete economy runs based on our, retail industry. Many people start their business in retail industry, and the pandemic made everything go down. So to make it more easier, we know the penetration of internet and penetration of more smartphones is increasing, right? Even in urban or rural areas, we can find people using smartphones and you know internet connections, all those stuffs. So people anywhere in the world, if they think about starting a business, it should be easy for them to achieve it. That is what we have started it. And also studies says that e-commerce, the growth rate of e-commerce is increasing 30 percentage every year, which is none other industry is growing. E-commerce is booming like that. And if you see the career opportunities in this, we know people, every 1 in 10, not 1 in 10, at least 5 in 10 start a business today. So we need someone to manage those business. That is where e-commerce career comes into play. We can see many digital marketers coming into play. We can see many SEO experts. We can see people who are interested in UI UX coming into play. So that there is many career opportunities now in e-commerce industry. We all know this traditional career opportunities, right? If you complete engineering, either you get into a BPO job, or you get into a software development, or you get into a tech company is what everyone knows, and it's a traditional way. But now there is a job opportunity called e-commerce specialist, e-commerce solution analyst, where someone working into a 9 to 5 job also can start earning through this e-commerce career. There are people who require high in demand, where people, someone who manages someone e-commerce store. We know the purchasing power is increasing every day, right? Since before the giants came into play, like this Amazon and Flipkart, people used to go to offline stores and buy products. But now, sitting at home, they just purchase something, we purchase more now. Like we have the Swiggy, Instacart, Zomato, and all, where we don't go to offline stores at all right now. So people started buying since internet is easily accessible and it is more convenient for everyone. Everyone started using, all these e-commerce platforms now. By seeing that opportunity, many people started moving online, many people started starting business. Okay, people are starting business, but there should be someone to take care of their business, right? There should be someone should guide them in this digital platform. That is where this new career opportunities come in. There are many people who are not aware of this career opportunities in e-commerce industry. So SingleBag is not only about giving us platform where people can create their own e-commerce websites. We also provide a career opportunity where people can pursue in e-commerce industry. Okay, so now that is what we have something called partner program. As I said, SingleBag is a platform where people who wants to start a business, they come in, they using the software without any coding knowledge, they can create an e-commerce website without any technical skill. Okay, we have certain set of sellers with us. We have many people who have created e-commerce websites, who have created an online business, and they are doing it with us. But we need someone who drives these people's stores. So who can this partner be? Okay, I've started a business, but I want someone to manage my store. I want someone to take care of my online business. I want someone to do marketing for my business. I want someone to do sale for my business. See, going an offline sale is different, but now we know how digitally sales are happening now. So there are people in the industry, the business people, who want a person to take care of their complete business. So we thought of creating an career opportunity for these partners. So partners, single partners are someone who bridges the gaps between seller and their business here. So these partners, what you should do is you will be creating an online store for your users, for your sellers. By making that, you can earn a 25 percentage recurring revenue with SingleBag. So I'll just brief you and I'll run you through how the platform looks like so that you'll have an idea how does it look. So you can easily access to our website. It is singlebag.com. You can see all our products, our features, what all we have here. So if you scroll down to the bottom, we have something called partner program. So when you click on that, you can see our page here. You can just click on join now, and you'll be asked for a few registration pages where after you register, this is how our dashboard looks like. So if you see here, yeah, this is what your dashboard is all. It is very simple, guys. If you see, you can see the total number of stores, the active stores, and how much you have earned till now. And I'll just show you a demo store here. So this is what it is. From here, you can go and create a store for your customers. Say for example, you can just give a name, their number, their email ID, a password, and you can choose a plan for them. If they wanted to do a free trial, you can choose a free trial. You can, give a store name. Say for example, I'll give it test 1, 2, 3, 4, and a password for it. Then some, you can give a transaction ID. You can use it since it is
Hello,
already
ma'am.
registered. Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes,
Screen is not changing, ma'am.
it is not changing. Uh, one
Show
minute.
it PPT, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll just see what it is. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So yeah, this is how your dashboard looks like when you register no as a partner in SingleBag, and you can see the number of stores you have created, the active stores, like how much you can earn, how much you have earned till now. You can see all those analytics. When you wanted to create a website for your user, this is how you will be creating it. You have to go click create store here. You have to enter all the details like your customer name, their first name, last name, email ID, phone number, and you can choose a plan for them. See, when it comes to plan, why I wanted to say this is, we all know, right? If someone wants to start an online business or create an e-commerce website, we all know how much it costs. When you go for a full-fledged e-commerce website, when you go for a developed website, I think it costs around 20,000 to 4 lakhs, I guess. Someone who's starting a small business, someone who's already selling into Instagram, someone who's already, we can see many people around our family circle itself will be selling through these online platforms. But it is very, for them to afford a 25,000 or no, a plan in lakhs, it is not affordable for them. So Singlebag has bought something where you can create a normal basic e-commerce website for just rupees, I think we have three different plans. You can just explore that. I think it starts from 399. 400 rupees per month is what we cost. So you can create a website for them in that cost. I think it's affordable for everyone. Okay, coming back to the point, you have to create a store, and when you save it, you can just go and see here the stores which you have created for your customers here. You can go, you can click on view, you can see how many the planned purchase history of your customers, how many customers they have, how many orders they have made. So all the details you can see here, and that is how it will be. And let me show you how your customers storefront will be, the website which you create. Let me show how does it look. Hmm, so 1 minute. So this is how your e-commerce websites will be for the customers which you're creating. We have certain set of demo stores in our site. Maybe you can go through that. There's some. Okay, so this is how a basic functioning e-commerce website will be. You don't have to, you don't need any coding knowledge to create such e-commerce websites here. So that simple is this. So coming back to this is how your dashboard will be. So if you ask me how can I earn through this, you can create this website without any technical skill. And once your customer subscribes to any one of our e-commerce plan, you will be getting a 25 percentage commission for it. Is the screen visible for you guys?
No, ma'am.
Is it now visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how the website will be. If you the website which you are creating for your customer will be like this. We also have a different set of templates with us, so you can create any type of product based website for your customers here. You can add pages, you can give your customer details here, you can give categories, help. You can create policy pages, all those stuffs, and you can clicking on this. This is how your product page will look alike. This is created without any technical skill, so that simple it is. And yeah, coming back to the point, once if your customer subscribes to any one of our plan, you will be, as a partner, you will be getting a 25 percentage recurring revenue. And this revenue, once your customer keeps subscribing every month, you will be getting the commission record every month. That is how it works. So yeah, I'll just show you how to create a website now. So, yeah, 1 minute. By the time, if you have any questions, you can ask me. So, till now, if you have any question, you can ask me. By the time, I'll just create a store for you and show. Email ID register. Okay, store.
I'm already partner sign in பண்ணிருக்கீங்க so
Yes. 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 Tell me.
Do we have any
No, you don't have you don't have any targets, or you don't have any constraints like only these many stores you can create, only these many. It's completely free. The platform is completely free. You can create how much ever stores you want. There's no any restrictions for that, and you can earn as much as you want. Yes. Recurring revenue means once you make, your client subscribes to any one of Singlebag plan, they subscribe again, right? The next month. So that if they subscribe again, you don't have to set up the store newly for them again. Only once you're going to set it up for them. But once it is done, you're going to get it every month. You will be receiving your recurring commission every month. That is how it works. Yeah. I'll just show you guys. Give me 2 minutes. I'll just show you. This is how your seller dashboard looks like. The store which you have created, once you log in, this is how it will be. So this is where you go create your e-commerce website. First you add products for your customers here. Say for example, it is a shirt, a red shirt. Maybe you can give a description for that and what type it is. Is it a virtual thing, or it is a virtual ebook or something, or it is a physical product? You can give a category here. You can also create categories here. If you have many people in your category, you can create like men's. You can assign a parent category for that. Featured is nothing but is it visible on your website or not? That is what you give featured. And assign to menu, yes. You can give a thumbnail image for it. Okay. You can give a thumbnail image. You can give the status as active or not, and you can click on save. Okay, so I think the category limit has exceeded. Since we have already created more number of stores. So, okay, then here you create your brands. Here you can give a price for it. Say, for example, I'm giving it as 1200, and the selling price where you can show this offer, right? The actual price is 1200. I'm selling it for 1000 rupees, is what you can create here. And if your product has variants, you can create it here. Say, for example, if it has color, you can create colors for it: red, blue, or gray, anything. I'll give it as red color. Then here you can give your products SKU number, the stock keeping unit number. Um, so I'll just give with my name. You can manage your stock also here. You can give the quantity. And when you click on save, your product is created. So your product is created here. Now you can give more details for your products. You can give attributes. Attributes is nothing but the additional info which you can give for your, for your product. Then you have images here. You can go upload image here. It directly drives you to your files. You can give an image for that. Variance is nothing but the thing which we created. If your product has different sizes, different colors for it, that is what you give here. And inventory is nothing but how many products you have, how much products is there in stock is your inventory. And you can also Singlebag also provides an inbuilt SEO tool. We all know is what SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. When people search like shirts in your in your storefront, this is how it will help you to pull the product up. So that is what it is. And here you can go and see all the products which you have created for your store. And inventory, you can go manage your inventory. And inventory is nothing but how many products are in stock, how many products you have. That is what is inventory. Categories, you can go create your own category here. The business categories, what all you have. Then attributes, as I said, you can go change your attributes here. We have product options, that is the variance. You can go create brands here. You can also create coupons during this festival season. Your client may ask for giving coupons, offers, discount codes. You can go just create a coupon here where you can give a title, say for example sale 100, and you can give a code for it. You can give an expiry date, a percentage for it, and you can make it as active. Analytics is nothing but you can completely monitor what is happening in your website. So, how many orders you have made, how many orders have been cancelled, how many orders are in process, how many orders have been completed, the total amount for your orders, and the pending amount. That is, you might have few amount to come into your account. All those things you can see. We also have a comprehensive graph where you can see on which date you have made what revenue with all the past 15 days or past 1 year how much you have made. You can see here. That is what it is. We have something called customers. People who buy products from your website, their data will be registered here. You can see how, who are the customers, what they have made, all those things you can see here. You can go view your user. You can see how many times they have made order, how many times they have purchased here, your customer details, your customer name, all those stuffs you can see here. And yeah, if your customer gives any reviews or rating in your storefront, you can see that. If they review a product, you can see what comment they have given. If you want, you can delete that comment also from your storefront. So you can see all those details here. And we have a concept called all delivery agents. You can create your own agents. We have an app for delivery agents. We all know, right, how Swiggy and Zomato functions. When a customer places an order, an agent will be assigned to that particular order, and when the agent changes the status as picked up, it will be notified for both the customer and the seller when customer here. So we have an app for the agents also. So where you can, assign an order to an agent, and that is how it functions. Like same functionality which we have for Swiggy and Zomato. And we have something called settings, store settings. You can go give a name for your store description, a logo for your store, what all languages your website should have, and the tax, how your store should calculate. If you have a GST number, you can give that. And GST is not mandatory here for your customers here. And the currency type, like we have around 150 plus currencies which you can sell through, so you can take that. And also you can see your client's business plan here, like how many days their plan is left, all those things you can see here. You can go give your location here. And we have something called PWA settings, which is progressive web application, where your website can be added to your home screen. So we have that option also here. It will be converted as a browser app for them. Here you can go add a theme color. You can give a logo. Favicon. You know what is a favicon? The small icon which we see here is called favicon. We can add that. We can also go add social profiles to your website here. So that is what is all about store settings. Then when you go to payment options, am I clear to you guys? Or am I rushing up for you? If you want me to be slower, I can be a bit slower for you. So can someone quickly say it? I can't see you guys here. So is it okay? Am I rushing it up?
No, it's good.
Okay, so we have something called payment options. We all know, online means you pay online, right? So we have 8 payment gateways for our sellers here. We also have cash on delivery, so you can enable that. And yeah, if you have an account in Razor Pay, you just go, you give your how it should be displayed in your checkout page, and the key ID for it, the secret key, and the purpose for it. This will be available in your Razor Pay dashboard. You to integrate payment gateways, you should have account in the respective payment gateways. So that is how you can connect it here. We also have shipping method, like in how many days you're going to deliver the product. All those things you can create it here. So this is how you'll do. Which country you are gonna ship it, which state you're gonna do it, which city you'll be doing, how many days you're gonna deliver it, and the rate for it, the cost 50 rupees or something. Then you can update it. So that is how you create a shipping method. Coming back to plans, these are the plans which we have. Actually, we are in our demo site, so you don't have the accurate pricing plans here. We have per month and per year pricing plans with Singlebag. Per month, we start from 399, that is 400 to 1600. Whereas if you take a yearly plan, we have it from per year to host a website, it only costs 5,000 rupees, and for enterprise business we have it till 20,000 rupees. The only see, when as a partner, when you're going to pitch your client, you can use this as your USP. The only difference between all the three plans is the product limit and the the customer limit, which that is what we have limited. Apart from that, all the features are same for all the three plans. Only the product limit we have limited for each plan here. And here you can go and see your client subscription history, like how much plan they have made, how long it is valid, all those stuffs you can see here. Coming back to marketing tools, since we said single bag is a complete package of everything, we have inbuilt SEO tools, we have inbuilt marketing tools. We also provide marketing tools where after creating a store using these marketing tools, you can market your online business. We have integrated WhatsApp API, which will be present in your website. When customer wants, if they have any query from the website, they can directly contact you through WhatsApp. So we have that. We have Facebook Pixel, where when you run paid ads in Facebook, you can see those analytics here, like how many people from your Facebook ad has come to your website, all those things. See, I might be rushing now, but we have all the documents for this available in our community. If you see, we have a single bag community where you can go and see all our comprehensive documents. Further, if you have doubts, you can go create an account here and you can post your questions in our community. We also have a knowledge base where the things which I'm explaining now is all documented here, is all documented here. You can go study about what is each and everything, how to set them up, is all you can go and see here. If you have questions, you can go post it in our forums. You can go put a question where our customer support will immediately address it and they'll help you out. We have a separate portal for the partners here where you can get here and you can post all your questions and we'll explain it to you as soon as possible. So that is how it will be. So you don't have to worry. Later also you can go get into all these things and you can see. Okay, coming back here, this is how the marketing tools work. We all know Google Analytics. Here to see who all are coming to your website is what you can see it from here. We also have something called point of sale system. We all know what is point of sale, right? Point of sale system is used in offline stores. See, we have a dashboard here for to take care of our online business, to monitor how many people have come, what is the how many products we have, to see how many people have made purchase. You have a dashboard, a panel for managing your customers. Similarly, we need something for our offline business, right? We all see our departmental stores. You would have noticed this when you go for, when you stand for your checkout process. You see they scan your product, they ask your name, and if you see the system, it will have a very different screen. That's because they use a software called POS. How we manage our online business, similarly our offline stores will have a similar dashboard like this, where they'll have all the products, the customer details, everything uploaded in that. So they don't have to manually go manage their inventory. They don't have to see how many products have sold out today, how many products have people have purchased today. Everything will be automated and it is made in records there. So that is how it will be. Okay, we have something called online store option here. We all know, a website should have multiple themes for it. So right now we have three different themes, and by 2 or 3 months we might have 10 different themes in single bag. So you can choose different themes as per your customer needs here. We have something called sliders. I'll show you what it is in the website now. So after creating, this is how your website will look like. So this is called the slider part. The one which you're giving here will be shown here. So this is called slider. The products which we have created will be displayed here. If you have ads, it will be run here. And yeah, this is how your website will look like. The logo which you are giving here will be displayed here, and that is how it is. Bump ads is nothing but if you have a limited offer for your website during this festival seasons, you can create one here. Banner ads is also something similar, which will be displayed, below your website. And menus is nothing but header menus is this. This is called your header menus, like homepage, categories. All these things is called header menus. And you can also create your footer menus, that is your policy pages, new arrivals, your categories. So these are all your the footer menus, so that you can create here. You can also create pages where you just go create a page, you give a title, description, and the page content here. When you click on save, it gets saved. So I'll just show you an about us page here, where you can give a title and a page description and the content here. And after creating, you can go assign it to your menus here. Okay, I can give about us. I'll select it as pages, and you can go select the created page here, and you can click on save. Your menu will be created here. So when you get back to your website, it will be displayed here. That is how it will be. It will be displayed here. So this how setting up a store functions. So as a partner, your role will be to create a website for your clients here. So that is how your function will be. So yeah. So do you guys have any questions in setting up a store for your clients now? The thing which I explained now, do you guys have any questions in that? Okay, it's fine. If you have questions in future, you can just get back to the community as I showed here. You can get back here. It is called community.singlebag.com. You can go here. You can post all your questions here. You have to register. You have to put up questions here. So that is how it will be. So So this is how you can do. See, there are many people who are selling products online without a website. We all know how important a website is, right? You can all think I can sell in Instagram. That is more easier. I don't have to buy a website for myself. I don't want a website for my business. But what are the challenges you face when you sell on social media platforms? When you sell on Instagram, when you go to a business page, all you can see is you have thousands of posters being posted on the page. You won't have a proper catalog or what product is currently available. You won't know that. So a seller will face that challenge. They won't have an organized platform there. And say, for example, if you have 100 people placing or 10 people placing an order at a time, you should have to go to their personal DMs individually. You have to keep messaging them. You have to get their GPay number. You have to go and check whether they have made the payment or not. So there are many challenges when that comes into play. Whereas if you have a website, you need is a dashboard here. You can go, you can see how many orders you have received in a day. Okay, you can go see the orders. You can just get into the order. You can see the details, what they have made. Have they made the payment? If the payment is still, still pending, you can go change your order. If they made the payment, you can change your payment status here, and you can give it for if you want to change your order status as ready for pickup, you can do that here. So it is very simplified, right? Instead of selling it on Instagram, see, Instagram is a platform where you promote products. It's not where you sell your business there. It is not that user friendly. Initial stages it is fine, but when a person starts selling a product, for a longer time, managing customers there and managing payment, managing order doesn't become easier for them. So for your clients can be a person who's selling on social media platform. So you can go to clients who are selling in social media platform without a website. You can go pitch it for them. You can convince them, tell them how easy it is to set up an e-commerce website, how easy it is to manage things, and how affordable it is for them to do it. See, per meal we spend at least 500 rupees if you order it in Swiggy or Zomato. I'm saying you can create a website with that cost here. So that way you can pitch. Or else if someone who already has a website, you can see some people, some of your clients may say, I already have a website. Like, why do I need to migrate to another, a software here? People who are already having a website, the challenge which they face is they cannot immediately make changes. If I say, for example, if I wanted to change the pricing of this product, I have to go to a technical person who gets into the code and make the changes for me. Whereas here, I don't need any person's dependency here. I can just go to my dashboard, I can go see my products, I can just go click on edit, I can go to the basic information. One minute, please. I can just go here. I can click. I can change the pricing here. Say I can change it for 150 rupees, and I can click on save. In storefront, the pricing of my product will be changed immediately. So that simple it is. The product which I change is 150, right? So you can easily see it here. So changing things is not very difficult here. I can immediately go and change things here. So people who are having a fully developed website, they find these challenges. So you can pitch those clients and you can tell the problems which they face, that they need to be technically skilled. Here every changes can be made immediately. So that we can that we can do here. And also people who are selling in offline stores, people who are having offline stores, offline business, you can tell them how e-commerce is moving, how people are, uh, 1 minute, how people are struggling there, how everyone started purchasing online from Swiggy, Zomato, and from Amazon and all. So how difficult is for them, so that can be easily achieved here. So you can tell them everything, you can manage it. You can also pitch about POS system to them. So all those stuffs you can do for offline businesses. So your clients will be people who are selling in social media platforms, people who already have a website, or people who already who have an offline store. So they all will be our clients here. So this is how you can go pitch your problem. See, every Saturday we'll be having webinar sessions. So today I've given a brief about what is partner program, how to create a store, how to set up a store. Every Saturday our support team or executives will be explaining you how to pitch a sale, how to go find a clients, how to convince your clients is what they will say. During those sessions, if you have any doubts, you can ask them and you can get clarified with that. So that is how it is. Coming back to the revenue part, if you have a question in that revenue, if you go to Singlebag website, we have our pricing plans here. You can go see our pricing plans. 1 minute. Uh, you can go to our pricing plan here. This is our pricing plan page. This is our website. It is singlebag.com. Here you can see our pricing plan. If you click here, you can see that our monthly plans is 399, 799, 1699, and our annual plan is this. And if your customer subscribes to any one of our plan, uh, you'll be getting a 25 percentage recurring commission here. You can also calculate your commission here. Say for example, every month you are bringing three new customers. You are building three new stores for your customer means if I bring it for a business plan, every month you will be earning 1500. The next month you will be earning 2500. The next month you will be earning 3800. So that is how your commission will be recurring every month. So when you see end of 12 month, every month without doing me, if you set up a store for your clients, every month you will be earning 15,000 rupees. So that is called your recurring commission. So you're going to set up a store. See, if you bring, say for example, 10 customers in a month. Oh, sorry, 10 customers in a month for a business plan. Every month you will be earning 5,000 rupees if you bring 10 customers here. And next month it will be around 8,500 rupees. So your commission keeps recurring every month based on the customers you create store, based on the customers you create and the store which you create for them. So that is how your commission is calculated. I know this might be a bit confusing for you guys, and apart from this session, after this session, if you have any doubts, you can revert back to us. We are there. We are available 24/7 to, to clarify all your queries and doubts. So this is the, just a comprehensive detail about what is the partner program is about. And you can find the links of our community and website and the partner program in the comment box where you can go and see that. That is what the session is all about. Do you guys have any other doubts? Is there anything you want me to clarify for you?
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay.
Will a seller be able to place order during free trial?
Yes, definitely. So you can create stores for your clients during this free trial also. So when your client can earn through the free trial also. They can place, if you take other platforms, say for example, you have many e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce or BigCommerce. Your sellers cannot place an order during free trial, but here your sellers can place an order during the free trial. We also provide a free trial for 30 days. So you can full-fledgedly function your e-commerce website. You can receive orders, you will receive payments, you can receive everything. So that is what it is.
Thank you.
Yeah. So is there any other questions or any other queries you guys have? Yes? So
Payment you mentioned now.
yes.
Application.
I'm sorry, Arun, you're not audible. Can you be little louder?
Now you
Yes, you're audible now. Yes, tell me.
amount transaction
Yes.
you mentioned now that like paper and all.
Yeah, PayPal, Razorpay, yeah,
Okay,
InstaMojo,
and
yes. Yeah.
it's all like foreign
No,
international
no, not just international, you can receive domestic payments also.
and Paytm GP and all it's not allowed, right?
No, yeah, it is allowed. We have a payment. This is payment gateway. If you say Razorpay, PayPal, and all, they are payment gateways. The payment accepting modes, you will have GPay, all those stuffs. All the UPI transactions you can accept there. It is acceptable. Your customers can pay through GPay. All the UPI transaction is acceptable.
But it but the page which you shown not mentioned that detail.
No, that is, we have just shown you the payment gateway to you. Once if you integrate the payment gateway, when you go to your checkout page, wait, let me show you that. Is the screen now visible to you, Arun?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, if you see, we have a demo product here. So I'll just show you how the payment is done. So if you have options for your product, you just choose that. You add to cart. When you go, click on checkout. Okay, here when you give the proper details based on which you have created your shipping method, you get your order and you click on Razor Pay and you give proceed to checkout. This is how your payment page looks like. Next, since it's in test mode, you'll see this. When you give proceed, as you asked here, you can see net banking, where UPI, EMI, pay later. If you want to pay through cards, you have that also. Through net banking, you can choose a net here, and it is based on the payment gateways which you choose. If you take Razor Pay, they provide only these options for you. If you take PayPal, they might have GPay, Google Pay, and all, all the UPI transactions with them. So it is purely based on the the payment gateway which you choose. So I'll just show you a demo bank which I have chosen. So once the payment is successful, you will be notified in your dashboard. So that is how it works. So we have chosen Razor Pay now, where Razor Pay doesn't provide you with the UPI options. Whereas if you take PayPal, it will be enabled there. So that is how your payment will be made here. They also provide UPI options to you. So that is how it works. So is that clear or you want me to explain it more? Clear. Okay. So apart from this, do you have any other doubts? Others? So yeah, the session will be held on every Saturdays. We the same time 11 o'clock, and there will be different type of specialists and executives will be explaining it to you in detail. So this is just a introductory section of what is Singlebag and how to create a store and how the partner program works. Whereas if you see going forward, every Saturday they'll help you out, like how to pitch a store, how to create a store, how to pitch a sale, how to convince your clients. All those stuffs will be explained by them to you. So this is how it works. So we also have provided a feedback form in the comment section. I just give your honest opinions and reviews about it, like how do you want us to be improved and how the classes has to be taken for you. And also apart from this, we have given a community link where all our customer support will be available 24/7. You can go post questions there. And also we have an help line on our website itself where will be available live chats will be welcomed there, so you can go and answer it there. So, do you have any other questions now? So, I can see a few questions in the comment section. Okay, I'll just answer that. Please give feedback. Hi, ma'am. Can you explain where will bumper ads be shown? Okay, bump ads will be shown at the middle of your website there. So, I'll just this is where your bump ads is. So this is your sliders. The sliders which you create is this, and this will be your menus which you have created. And we have not created a bump ad. Your bump ad will be displayed here above the trending products. Your bump ads will be displayed there. Yeah. And okay, so next question, what we have for us. Then is that understandable, Shabit? Now did you get to know where the bump ads will be? Kushbu has asked, can you please let us know if we place order Yeah, I have explained that you can place order during your free trials. Your customers can get free orders during that. During your free trial periods. Okay. So I think I've answered those two questions which I've got. So don't, it's not just this case. You can ask. We'll be available all 24/7 here, and we also have our live chats as support in our singlebag.com website, where you can go ask real time questions there. And going forward, every Saturday you'll be getting your the questions, clarities, updates about this will be there. We are also available on our social media platforms. It will be given in the comment section. We are available in Instagram. If you can't reach us in through through website or through community, we will be answering questions. But still, to get to know about our updates and announcements, you can go to our social media platforms there. We are almost present in all the platforms there. So yeah, that's all for today's session. I hope it you we conveyed a few doubts for you, and we just gave an introductory for it. For any more questions, you guys can get in touch with us. So yeah, that is all for it. So thank you so much, guys, for attending this webinar, and we'll see you for next week. Thank you.